I just wanted to show they both have it's the wrong one. They both have finger guards. You can get you know, finger guard access for either device. The one for the i110, what it does is we have this outer boot, and what we do is we slip it in like this, and then it clips in.
Nice.
All right, so it's nice and sturdy. I don't have the ones for this, but what happens is there's actually another outer boot, and it's the wrong size, but it goes over, and then there's an outer boot that pops on top of that. I think it's a little bit less secure. You know, just being somebody can sort of take their fingers and like pull it out a little bit easier than they could with this. This is a little more difficult, but you know, so we both have the options for finger guards as well. I'm gonna let you, instead of just looking at a simple dot, I'm gonna go to image, and then I usually just pick something silly, just something for you to look at. I'm gonna make the image a little bit bigger, and then we should be ready to go. All right, first thing we always do is, see where it says track status? I'm going to touch that. This is the most important screen besides calibration, is finding out where the user is. And so two things we want to do. We want to make sure that her eyes are in the middle, and then triangles in the middle. So the further out you are from it, the triangle will drop. The closer you are to it, it goes up. So it's just distance. So for the user you have, we always want to make sure he's in the middle. Okay? And you can see the black is the screen. So it shows you how much room you have to still move. So I have a lot of people who are, you know, move quite a bit, but it still works for them. All right, so here's the calibration. I'm going to touch calibrate. And when it starts, I want you to just follow the picture. Yep, and just try to focus on its nose. And then it takes all that info and it puts it together, and that was your calibration. You did great. So left eye, right eye. That's what we're looking for. See that you can barely see it, but there are little blips inside the circles, and that's what we're looking for. That just means that it picked up really good focus. So like there wasn't a lot of eye movement. There's a slight one right there. It picked it up. Not a big deal. Even if we have a lot of movement, meaning like you'll see it looks like a starburst. That's still okay, as long as the user got that. So I have a lot of people with some significant eye disabilities, but they can see, it's just that they have a lot of movement, maybe nystagmus or something like that. That's okay. We can still get by with a lot of movement, but for you, what this means is like keyboards, things that are small, it's going to be easier. Okay? So, yeah, you're going to town on this already. All right, so hold on. I want to show you this, because this is the Windows control is like probably the harder thing to do. So let's see, we're gonna get rid of that one, and we need left click.